We decided to hide the kind of everyday things really, so tea and coffee stations hidden, bar hidden as well, and a DJ booth.
I'm Tracy, this is Alex, and we live in the household with my 15-year-old son and this dog Nala. Property when we moved in was a separate kitchen and a separate dining room. It just didn't work for how we live our lives. When we first went in the showroom, we wanted a light grey with a dark blue kitchen. They went and got us the manager, offered us a coffee, and we had a walk around the showroom. When he came back, we were stood in front of the back units and said, I want those. And it was totally different to what I originally thought I was going to have. Because the showroom layout was really good and they had loads of things you could see that you just can't see in a catalogue or on the internet. Adrian, the kitchen designer, was really helpful, probably because we had the dog with us. He offered us the dog bed, which is probably the most useful item in the kitchen because you don't trip up over the dog anymore. He actually showed us the workings of all the cabinets and the ovens and pick your sink, pick everything basically, because they've got so many different choices.
I just thought, whilst in the showroom, the kind of hands-on kind of use of CAD and technology for me kind of sold it. It gives us an insight into how it's going to look in the end. You can walk around the room, open cupboards.
They take you to a separate room in the Harrogate showroom and they give you some virtual reality headsets and tell you to go walk around your new kitchen, which is useful because when you've got two rooms, you can see what it's going to look like rather than just seeing pictures of it on a screen. One of the things we asked Adrian and the manager in Harrogate to design, which they'd never designed, was we needed a DJ booth in the cupboards because it was and a bar because we needed to get all that stuff out of sight because the whole dining room just looked full of records. Alex designed the DJ booth. Worked with the electricians on all the sockets, switches, where everything needed to be, and then the builder had to build it.
Yeah.
The one thing that I've learned through the whole renovating process is you can never have too many plug sockets. And choose your appliances perhaps before you even choose the kitchen, and make sure you have exactly what you want.
I think my tip for anyone planning a kitchen is to think about what you're going to use it for in the future. It's not always going to be cooking food. We're going to use it for an office and we're going to use it for entertaining, but think about everything.